The simplified product name is MISSHA Time Revolution Night Repair Gift Set, sold by KBeauty and Content. Discover the power of MISSHA Time Revolution Night Repair 5X Gift Set for youthful, glowing skin. Includes night repair ampoule and cream, plus the first essence, all with advanced skincare technology. Formulated with a unique extreme biome complex, featuring 10 concentrated fermented ingredients for rejuvenation. Clinically proven to enhance skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and improve pigmentation within 10 hours. Offers multiple benefits. Improves skin density, resilience, moisture, radiance, texture, lifting, and soothing. Night Repair Ampoule works overnight, moisturizing and revitalizing skin for a firm, youthful appearance. Transform your skincare routine with this revolutionary set, ensuring radiant and healthy skin every morning. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today!